Attention, everyone. Eyes here, please. Siguro naman walang hindi nakakilala sa kanya. Her name is Jamie Robinson. Mahilig mag-power trip ang babaeng to just because she's part of the Voltes team.
Do you really want to do this?
Sandali. Di pa ako tapos. In fact, she ruined my reputation. Unfortunately, it backfired. So, gawin mo na yung pinapagawa ko sa'yo. Lumuhod ka na and apologize.
Eva, tigil mo yan.
Steve, may napag-usapan kami. We both agreed to it. So ano, Jamie? Don't tell me wala kang word of honor. Hindi pwedeng walang integrity ang isang Voltes 5 member at anak ni Commander Robinson. So luhod. Then say sorry. Say sorry!
I'm sorry, Ava.
Good girl. You know what? I'm loving this view. Diyan ka lang.
Sumusobra ka na eh.
But a deal is a deal, Steve. And she deserves it. Next time you cross my line, you better think twice.